guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to get this fall makeup look. All the products that I used will be linked below in the description of this video, so check it out. And I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to start with my VFX Pro Primer. Up next, I'm going to use my NYX Tame and Frame Eyebrow Pomade, and I'm just going to use an angled brush. Now I'm going to go in and clean up my brows a little bit before I do my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the VFX Pro Camera Ready foundation. And I'm also going to be using a concealer brush. So I'm just going to take a little bit of product and put it on the concealer brush. And then I'm going to trace around my brows to clean them up. I am going to just put foundation over my eyes, and then I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow primer. Now that I've prepped my eyes, I'm ready for shadow. I'm going to be using the Eyeshadow Trio Kit, number 5, Vintage Season. I'm going to take a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I am going to put it into the middle shade. And I'm going to start from the outer corners to the inner. Then I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go in with the lightest shade. I'm going to take my beauty blender. I already got it wet and wrung it out. And I'm going back in with my VFX Pro foundation and putting it all over my face. Now I'm going to go in with my full coverage liquid concealer from Farmasi. Now I'm going to go in with my baking powder to set my concealer. While that's setting, I'm going to go in with my Stay Matte Clear Pressed Powder for my face. Since I have really oily skin, I have to use a powder foundation over my liquid foundation. And I'm just going to take a dense face brush. The next step is contouring. So I'm going to take a contouring brush, and I'm going to take my Farmasi Face Press Powder, and this is in the shade 103. Now I'm actually going to go back with my eyeshadow and do underneath of my eyes. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy face brush and another Farmasi Face Press Powder to bronze my face. This is in the shade 6 Warm Dark. it's broken. I'm going to take a blush brush and my Farmasi blush in the shade number 18. Now I'm going in with pencil eyeliner. Now I'm going in with the pretty Vulgar mascara. And I usually do 2 or 3 coats. And then I'm going to finish it off with a matte liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Wild Rose. And then to finish it off, just some rose water setting spray. And that's the look.